In this video, we're going to create a short improvisation using octaves in both hands. The right hand is going to be a broken octave, the left hand is going to be a block octave. So let's say we're on B's. This is going to be broken somehow, and this is going to be a block. Now, and that's all we get, but we can move it anywhere we want to on the white keys in tandem. So this one's block. This one's block, excuse me. This one is broken. And I created a little pattern, a bottom, top, top, bottom, bottom, top, top. Something that's very regular and alternating. See, there's quite a lot that you can create out of something so simple. Tremolo in the left hand. Using little grace notes. I could go the other direction. Now they could just work in tandem. So see what you can make out of that. Both have broken octaves and they are working in tandem. You can send an idea from one hand to another. You can have one sort of creating a regular pattern, creates another idea that is more melodic in nature or motivic in nature. Try speeding up and slowing down. Dramatic pauses, etc. So you can get a lot out of this idea. It's very simple. Both have broken octaves. Have fun.